How's it going? Today we're gonna make some crispy air fried tomato. How's it going? Today we're gonna make crispy air fried potatoes in under 20 minutes. Let's go. Okay, first you're gonna wanna make some Cajun seasoning, and for this Cajun seasoning I use 3 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, and then 1 teaspoon of thyme. And then you're gonna wanna mix it up and pour it into a jam jar. Say jam jar 3 times fast. After we got it in the jam jar, shake it up a little bit, grab your potato. Once you grab your potato, give it a nice little peel, quick peel. Just peel it up just real quick like. And then we're gonna chop it up into some relatively decent sized cubes. Chopping and chopping and chopping and chopping. Stick your potatoes in the air fryer at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. So grab your green onions, clean off your knife from your potatoes, chop them up into nice little pieces. After we chopped our green onions, we set them aside in a little container, and then we grabbed some parsley and chopped it up real nice. Once that's chopped up, set it aside in a little container. So we're gonna make a chipotle sour cream, and for this one I'm going to use a couple tablespoons of sour cream and mix in chipotle Tabasco sauce. Once your sour cream is mixed, grab your bowl while your potatoes are cooking and put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in there. I use avocado oil, it's good for high temperatures. So once your potatoes come out of the air fryer, put them into the bowl with the oil and give them a few tosses. After you've coated all the potatoes in oil, throw on a few pinches, if not a tablespoon of your Cajun seasoning, and then toss that a few more times before you throw it back in the air fryer. Throw them back in the air fryer at 375 still, and you're gonna put them in for another 8 minutes. Once they come out of the air fryer the final time, we're gonna put them into a nice bowl. We're going to top them with our sour cream, our sun-dried tomatoes that we got at the store, some green onions, and the parsley. Enjoy!